In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Hootsuite and access your new dashboard. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Hootsuite website. Take a second to check you're on the correct site by looking for the secure lock icon in the address bar and the Hootsuite brand in the URL. This helps you avoid landing on lookalike pages from ads or search results. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Sign Up or Start Free Trial. Both buttons lead you into creating an account. If you see a free trial option, keep in mind that trials sometimes require a payment method upfront and may vary by region or time, so review the small print to understand the duration and any renewal details. Next, enter your email address and the account details requested. Use an email you actively monitor, ideally the one tied to your business or team, so you don't miss important notifications. Create a strong password you haven't used elsewhere. A good approach is to combine length with a mix of characters. If you use a password manager, now is a great time to let it generate and store the credentials for you. You'll now be prompted to choose a plan or confirm the trial option you want. Take a moment to compare what's included in each plan. Think about how many social accounts you'll connect, how many people will need access, and any posting or approval features you might need. If you're just testing, the trial is a smart way to explore without committing long term, as long as you note the renewal date. Continue through the sign up steps to finish creating your account. This may include agreeing to terms, verifying your email through a link sent to your inbox, and answering brief onboarding questions like your role or goals. Sometimes you'll be asked to set a time zone or basic profile details. If you're prompted to connect social profiles right away, you can do it now or skip and return to it later from within your account. When your account is set, log into your new Hootsuite dashboard with the credentials you just created. If two-factor authentication is offered, enabling it adds an extra layer of security. Once inside, you'll see the main dashboard where you can navigate to streams, scheduling tools, and your planner. Take a quick look around so you know where everything lives and you're ready to start managing your social presence. That's it. Your Hootsuite account is created and you're logged in. Save your credentials securely and you're good to go.